Hi guys, here's a random thing from the charity shops. Age UK, 99 pence. A trotting horse. Air-powered trotting horse. I bought it just because I could see how it worked. I did actually look in the box in the charity shop, but I thought I'd bring it home and film it. Just in case there's any chance I might be able to 3D print something similar at some time. Used to get spiders and frogs like this. I remember having them as a kid. Squeeze that and the frog would jump forward, or spider. But you can see how this one works. Hasn't got good enough grip, has it? Might do better if I gave it something to grip on the feet. As I say, I just wanted to see how it worked. So you got a plastic diaphragm, concertina shape. Squeeze that, expands. Actually, the air leaks out of it, but yeah, that's generally it. Squeeze the air, reservoir, balloon, whatever. Stretches that. Release it, shut it. And as I say, I remember having spiders and frogs that did that. I seem to remember they just had a little bit of like a small balloon in there to do the same thing. And as I say, I bought it to have a close look at it, see if I could figure out if I could do something similar 3D printed. I mean, you could do exactly the same thing, try and replicate it. That's not what I mean. I just mean if I can make some little bug like the old spiders and frogs. That'll go straight back to a charity shop now that I've been able to film it close up. I don't think I could 3D print something like that. I'd have to find something that will do the job. A small balloon, perhaps, or a bit of a small balloon. Yep, back to the charity shop, or to a different charity shop just to move things around and see what we can do. Not straight away, sometime in the future. I was just looking at the box. Designed in the UK. Rex International, 3 to 4 Allied Way, London. Also Belgium, but made in China, of course. Well, at least it was designed in the UK. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.